Hey guys, welcome back to my training. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can develop an advanced Forex broker website with charts and a lot of features, right? So I'm going to give you access to this front end. This is the front end I'm going to give you access to. As you can see, it is very robust. It will give you access to this front end. The front end and the back end of the site are two different kind of script. So it means I'm going to be sending you guys these two different kind of script, right? So all you have to do is just to connect it. So this is the user end, and this is just the front end and the pages, right? So all you have to do is to make sure that you connect this end to this particular joiner, right? So you just make sure you do the connections, right? So let me just quickly come here and create an account. So I'm going to create a new account right here, and I'm going to say so I'm going to put my email. So I'm going to register right away. Awesome. So you see the registration has gone through. So I'm going to be redirected back to my dashboard, right? So I'm redirected back to my dashboard right here. This script can also be configured in a way that once somebody register, you can make them to pay for subscription before they can use the service, right? I'm going to show you how that works, right? So I'm going to click on English, and then I'm going to select US dollars. That's what I want to use. So you can select any currency, you can select any country. So it has the ability to select any currency, has the ability to also select any currency of your choice, right? All of these can be configured from the admin end of the website. So it's going to do that configuration for us from the user side, and it's going to take us to the dashboard, right? So let's just wait for it to take us to the dashboard. So when it takes you to the dashboard, you're going to see that it's going to try showing you some kind of short tutorial for you to understand the dashboard. So you can see on this panel your watching list. So this is your watching list for all your cryptos, right? So you click on next. It's going to take you here. It says switch your team between dark and white. So you can have a dark team and you can also have a white team. So I'll click on next. What's cryptocurrency was? So news, like a blog for the site. So here, no history of your trading. So when you come to order book, you're going to see your trading history. So let's click on next, and here is the timer. So, and here is the coin details that you are trading on. So for every coin that you are trading on, you're going to see the coin details right here. Awesome. You can see this dashboard of this script. It's so powerful, right? The dashboard is so powerful. So powerful, right? And right here you can see put a smile on our face. You can donate. People can your users can donate. So you can always put your cryptocurrency address right here, or from the admin. You can click on show QR code. It automatically bring up the QR code of the wallet address that is inputted here, right? So you make sure you edit the back end and then change all of these wallets. So you can see it has this very great dashboard for trading, right? So this script is very advanced. So I'm not going to go so deep into it. So you have to take the script and study it, and just make it work for yourself, because it's a very advanced script. It's the first time I'm giving up this script, and this script is worth 200,000. I'm just giving to you guys. So you also have come here now. You see indicators right here. You see indicators, and then you see alerts. So these are the indicators. So you can see that you can click on these indicators. It's going to show you different kind of indicators. You can see this is very powerful, very powerful commodity. So you see, can you see the dashboard? Can you see the way the indicators are changing? For those of you who are really into forex trading and stock trading, you will understand what this is, right? So you can see the dashboard. So, and you can click how many minutes you want this to trade and all of that. So this is very powerful. So let us click on market and see. So you can also click on market, and then you can see. So while that is loading up, let us log into the admin. So to log into the admin and the user is the same into the admin and the user, right? Same interface of login to the admin and the user. So when you're setting up this script, you're going to just set it up, and you're going to set up your admin and your user name, your user login, right? You're going to set your admin login. So the admin interface and the user interface are also the same thing, right? So the only difference is when you come here, right here, come and look at this, you're going to see admin, right? So from the user end, if you go to the user end, you are not going to see admin right here. You can see there's no admin here. So from the user end, you can see this right here. This is the order book, right? This is the order book, and yeah, you can come to market list. You can also see prices. You can go to heat map, right? So this is a very robust script. So let's go back to the admin. So this is the admin. So from the admin, if you click on manager, it's going to take you to this end. Then you click on bank transfers. So you click on bank transfer from the manager, you're going to see the person that did a bank transfer. So this particular user did a bank transfer, and admin can validate that transfer, right? So this person did a bank transfer, and admin can validate that particular transfer. So when you click on that, it's going to come up like this, bank transfer reference. So let's just put something like this. Amount. So how much did this person send? Okay, let's say $20,000. Currency is dollars. Right, so I think we can actually validate that. All right, so you see that success that has been validated for that particular account, right? So if we go back to payments from the admin again, we go back to payment, we'll see all the people who try to make payment. We'll go back to subscription. We're going to see people who subscribe. So you can see this particular user subscribe with a credit card, right? Because I configured this from the admin, and I use and I tried it with Stripe, right? I tried it with Stripe payment, and I paid for a subscription, and the subscription went through, right? So the subscription went through. Let me show you. I think I have that. I think I have the payment Stripe payment. Okay, so you can see that. Can you see that? So this is a payment that I did from Stripe, and the payment went through directly, right? So let's go back to users. So from users, you are going to see all the users of the site, right? You're going to see all the users of the site. So if you come here, this is the admin, right? This is the admin, right? So why these other guys are the users? So you're going to see all of them here. If you come to orders here, you're going to see all the orders that were placed, right? If you come to withdraw, you're going to see all of the withdrawals, that were placed right here. So let's go back to this is the statistics, right? So and let's go back to user. Let's go back to user. Let me show you something from the user end. So let's go back to admin. So when you come to the admin, all the configuration of this site are done from the admin, right? All the configuration are done from the admin. Then you also see the users here, right? You can click on edit from here. If you click on edit, you're going to be taken to the user side of the website, right? And you're going to see the referral link. You're going to see the currency of a particular user. You're going to see the user's wallet, withdrawal wallet, and all of that he has used on the website. So this is a very powerful website. So let's go back to dashboard. So if you go back to dashboard, you can let's go back to general settings. So general setting here, you can upload your logo, right? You can upload your logo, your website name, and your number format, all of these. So start watching list. So you can create all these watch lists, right? Remove .php. So if you click on off, it means that this will not be showing .php, right? So you can go through all of this documentation. You want people to sign up with Google, you can do that. You want people to sign up with Apple, with Facebook, you can set all of that up, right? You can set all of that up. Then you enable donation. Look at the place where that donation is enabled. Can you see that? So if I go to the user end, okay, look at the heat map right here. So let me just go back to my board. So if I go back to my board and I click on this, all of these wallets you are seeing here, you can replace them here. Can you see that? Can you see that? So you can replace all of the wallets. You can say you want another kind of wallet. You can put BCH and all of that. So you replace all of that. Then when you're done, you just hit the save button, and that will be done for you. So the next thing you're going to do, well, you're going to come to the coin, right? You're going to come to the coin. So these are all of the coin that are displaying on the website. Look at them, all of the coin that can be traded. You can see the coin. The coin are many, like many. So you can disable some of the coin, you can enable some of the coin. So the next place you're going to go to is the currency, right? Look at all of the currency. You know, when you sign up, you're going to be shown all of these currency, right? So these are the currencies. Then you go to mail setting. So this mail setting is where you set up your mail so that you know users can receive a welcome mail, right? So you set up your mail from there. Then you go to payment. So you come to payment, you're going to see all of the payment method. You're going to see enable credit card. You see that credit card is enabled. Payment need to be approved. You enable PayPal. If you have PayPal account that you want to use, you set all of this up. You enable enable Fortumo key, enable CoinGate, right? Enable CoinGate and all of that. So let me just click on. So enable CoinGate live mode. So click on on. So you're going to put the CoinGate authentication token right here, right? So you select the currency you want to use, CoinGate payment fee. You enable that. Enable coin payment. So you can click on that. Then you enter the keys of this information. You want to enable pay stack. You also do that. So it has a lot of payment method. Enable Coinbase Commerce. You can enable that and configure that. Enable Molly. You can enable that and also configure that. Enable Payer. Enable that. You can enable Poly Payments. Right? You can see that you can enable all of these. Enable Pay Stack. Right? Enable Bank Transfer. You can see that it's enable bank transfer proof. So at the end of the day, when you're done, just hit on the save button right here. Right? You just hit on the save button. So that has been saved. So then you go to subscription. So if you want people to be able to subscribe, right? You want people to be able to subscribe. So you see this particular account now. If I enable subscription, let me enable subscription here, right? If I enable subscription and I click on save, so now if I come down here, I'm going to see all the plans, right? I'm going to see all the plans. So I can enable subscription plan. I can say new stock plan. Can you see that new stock plan? Price total, I can say $1, right? Duration, I say 2 days. So I can add this plan. So it means that if that person subscribed, he's only going to have access to your site for 2 days. So let's just refresh this and see. Can you see that? So immediately I refresh this and see, it's going to tell me that the person must, subscribe, right? So you see this new stock plan that I enabled here. I also have this plan here, right, to collect this subscription. So you can enable that and people can make payments. So let's go to, okay, let's see the payment method again. Okay, these are the payment methods. So you just make sure you set all of this up, right? So let's go to the new social. This is just the blog aspect of this particular script. So so let's go to the intro. So these are the intro details. So you have to take time. This is a very, very robust script. Then you go to trading. Now you must set up trading for all of these, right? So if you click on OKCoin now, it's going to tell you to enter OKCoin key and the secret. So you need to set all of this up, right? If you click on Luno, it's going to ask you for this setup. You need to set these guys up. You need to set Binance up for people to be able to trade, because this script can actually enable people to do live and real-time trading, right? Live and real-time trading. So all of these needs to be set up. So then you also need to set cron jobs, right? You also need to set cron jobs. So you take these links and set cron jobs for them, right? So you can create additional pages too from here. Then you also see bank account. So this bank account, you're going to put the company's bank account right here. You want people to be able to do transfer to you. So you need to configure your bank account. So you can use something like Payday to create $1 bank account. Can use something like Payday. Yes, you can use Payday to create an account where people can send. So that will give you a foreign bank account that people can send money to, right? You can use Payday. I think you can also use them. I think I have one app. I've forgotten that particular app. So you go to identity, enable identity system, block trading without identity verification. So you want KYC, you want them to be able to do KYC and all of that. So you can use the Elon Musk update that I gave you. Even before you allow people access to you, they can contact you as a account manager, and you just walk them through before anything, right? So let me actually log into a particular account that I subscribe to. Log into a particular account that I subscribe to. Let's see. So I'm going to log into this account. Awesome. So this account, I've already subscribed to this account. This account I used to pay in $3, right? So you can see that this is a very, very robust system. Now, if you come to this account, you can see premium 1 day left because it was subscribed. This is what I paid $3 for right here, right? The $3 that I showed you right here. Where is it? Let me show you again. Paid $3 right here. Look at it here. This $3 subscription is what is showing. Is what is showing right here, right? That's why you see it's showing premium. So you can actually charge people to subscribe before they can actually, use the platform, right? You can create a subscription plan for them before they can come to the platform and do their trading, right? So I believe that this is so interesting, and you need to take out time, to study this system. Take out time to study. It's not something you just install once and you want to quickly start using it like that. Things doesn't work that way, right? So you have to take time to study this particular system. Very, very important. So you can also come here and you can see that you can actually credit from here. You can click on add refunds, right? You can click on add refunds, but make sure that the configuration from the admin end is done, right? Make sure that the configuration from the admin end is properly done on the bank accounts, right? So so you can also choose your pairs. You can choose your pair, the cryptocurrency that you actually want to trade, right? Cryptocurrency that you want to trade, you can actually choose it from there. So you can see that this is a very, very robust and a powerful system. And this script is very, very easy to install. Very easy to install. So all you need to do is just purchase the domain name and you purchase hosting, right? Actually, I tried this script on Namecheap. It didn't work well, right? This script didn't work well on Namecheap when I tried it. So I don't know if that's going to work really good for you on Namecheap. I tried it on Namecheap and it didn't give me good results. I was having problems configuring script. So you can try it from in another kinds of hosting, right? So it's just the same way. All you have to do is just purchase the domain name, purchase your hosting, and upload this script. Then access the URL of the script, right? You access the URL of the script, and the installation process starts, right? So let me just quickly see if I can quickly set that up. So I'll go to my cPanel. So I'm going to just show you. I'm going to set my cPanel. So log into my cPanel. So let me just quickly show you that. Log into my cPanel. So all I need to do is just go to my file manager. Go to my file manager. So you're going to go to my file manager, and I'll come to my public_HTML. Sorry, let me come to my public_HTML, and I can just create a folder for this. Say Forex text, right? So create that, and I'll just click on create folder, and then all I need to do is double click on this, and I'm going to upload this. Select file, right? So I'm going to select file. So I'm going to give you access to this file. So let me go to my desktop and let me go to my get to here. I put the script. This script is worth over $200, right? So it's worth over $200. So you have to work around the script. Sorry, this is not what I want to upload. So let me just go back here and select this. Yes, this is what I want to upload right here. So this script is worth over $200. So you just have to go around it and make sure you take your time to set it up. Make sure you take your time to set it up and just make this work. It's a very, very advanced script. So you just extract this. So I'm going to extract this. Awesome, extracted, right? So I'm just going to reload this. Awesome, you see that? So let me remove this because I don't need this right here. I'm just going to skip this and I'm just going to remove this. So I'm going to go to the directory, right? I'm going to go to the directory where I put that particular script, right? I'm just going to access that directory where I put that particular script. So you see that there's an install folder. So when you put the directory, all you need to do is put install. So just make sure you are accessing the right. So yes, so the directory / install. Awesome. Awesome, the directory / install. Awesome. So it's going to take you to this particular place right here. Can you see that? It's going to take you right here. All you need to do is just click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to ask you to set up the database, right? So you have to create the database and set up the database. So say English. Let me just take you through where you can set up the database. So just make sure that everything here is valid. So you click on next, right? So you click on next and right here. So you have to set up your database. So you have to put your database username here. You have to put your database password. You have to put your database name. So here's how you can set up your database. So you just go to database. Just go to MySQL database. So you create your MySQL database. So you select your database name, DB Forex. So small letter please. DB Forex. So that's your database name. DBUX. So then create your password. So this is the password. You just copy the password, right? You come here and you put the password, right? So you click on this use password, then you click on create. So you copy the database name. This is the database username. So you put the database username here, replace it with this. Then you come here. You put the database name. There's a database username, there's a database name. So you put the database name, this is the database name right here. So you click on try SQL, right? So if you try SQL, if the command is complete, it's going to work for you, right? If the command is complete, it's going to work for you. Denied user. So if the command is complete, it's going to work for you. So you just need to make sure that you're doing the right thing, right? So let me see that again. Okay, so let's click on yes. Okay, let's click on next step. So let's just make sure it's correctly set up. So let us try again. So this time it's going to work. You see that connection successful. It's going to work. So then you click on next. You see that you click on next. It's going to take you to the next level. And all you have to do is just make sure that you finish the installation. When you finish the installation, it's going to ask you to enter your username and your password to your admin. Then boom, you are in for this. You can see that this is a very, very, very robust system, right? So I quickly want to do this for you guys and give you access to this particular script. So this particular script alone is worth more than $200, right guys? So this is where I'll be cutting this short for you guys. So you have to take this and make sure you study this very, very well and just ensure you're making this to. So I'm going to give you access to the front end and the back end of this script. And also I have the Elon Musk update video, right? It's a video training that will help you, show you how you can market this. So if you need the script, the front end and the back end is, if you're in Nigeria, is 100,000. If you need the Elon Musk update with it, it's 150,000. If you need everything in dollars, it means you're going to be paying $200, right? $200 you get access to everything. 150,000 naira you get access to everything. But if you need only the script, it's 100,000, and is what $110 $110 to get access to this. So thank you guys for listening. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that when I drop videos like this, you're going to get access to this video. So God bless you and take care.